Yep, okay, I believe this is the last one. If not, then it is what it is. Yeah, okay, it's just left. Straight. Well, that's fun, isn't it? That makes it. Oh, thank you for absolutely nothing. Oh, what does that do? Why is it? It's still following me though. That sucks. That is what it is. What? I wish I would have saw that eyeball destroy the door though. What the fuck? You're kidding me, you're kidding me, you're kidding me. Get away, you bastard. You destroyed the door, right? And I think it's 5 a.m. I'm gonna go to bed. See ya, bro. And that's it.